Okay, so in today's video, I'm about to show you guys how to make 3D effect in Scratch. First, make a new project. Then keep this, call this cat. Nice. When green flag clicked, make a new block. Make sure it's run without screen refresh. So 3D. Nice. Now when I clicked 3D, instead of 3D, go ahead and do repeat 50 times. And hide. Where's the hide? Yes, here's hide. Create. And go ahead and do create clone of myself. When I start as a clone. And don't ever forget the change Y. Change Y by -1. Now when I start as a clone, show. That should make a good 3D effect. As you guys can see, it does. But that looks way too weird. Like, brother, That's why we have to go ahead and do where's the go to? Go to, rather than front layer, back layer. What that does is draws it like that. Wonderful. Now, if you guys liked this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I'm going to box you in the face. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.